Hello, good morning, everyone. Good morning to all of you. I hope that you all are fine. Today, I'm going to explain the rest of the chapter 11. Name of the chapter is Work and Energy. In the first part, I have explained you the different forms of energy, and in this lecture, we are going to study about the change of energy, how energy get changed into one form from another. Okay, so let us start today's video. Energy changes from one form to another, like in appliances like iron and oven. Electrical energy changes into heat energy, and in electric bulbs and CFLs, electrical energy changes into light energy. In a doorbell and radio, electric energy changes into sound energy. Okay, now the next topic is difference between work and energy. When force is applied on a body and the body moves up to a certain distance in the direction of applied force, work is said to be done. And to do this work, we need to spend energy. Thus, energy is the ability to do work. For example, to kick a football, we need energy in the body. Using this energy, we can kick the football. Kicking the football is the work done. So, when we do any work, energy is required. Renewable and non renewable sources of energy. First, we will understand what is renewable sources of energy. Sources of energy that can be renewed means recycled over a short period of time are called renewable sources of energy. For example, solar energy, which we get from the sun, hydro energy, which we get from the moving water, and wind energy, which we get from the moving air. So we can recycle it again and again. That is why it is called renewable sources of energy. Now, types of renewable sources of energy: solar energy, the energy that we get from the sun is called the solar energy. Plants use the solar energy for photosynthesis to make their food. Various appliances like solar cooker, solar heater, solar calculator, and solar watches run on solar energy. Solar energy is also used to produce electricity. Hydro energy. Hydra means water. The energy that we get from flowing water is called hydro energy. This energy is used to generate electricity in power plants. The electricity produced by hydro energy is called hydroelectricity. Now, wind energy, the energy that we get from wind means moving air is called wind energy. Windmills use wind energy to generate electricity. Okay, so these are the three pictures in which the first picture shows the solar energy, second picture also shows the solar energy, and third picture shows the wind energy. Non-renewable sources of energy not renewed over a short period of time are called non-renewable sources of energy. For example, coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Types of non-renewable sources of energy. Number one, coal. So the first type of non-renewable sources of energy is coal. Coal is formed from the plant buried inside the earth millions of years ago. Under high temperature inside the earth, these plants turned into coal. Burying of coal produces energy. This energy is used to produce electricity, move trains, cook food in villages. Now, second type of non-renewable sources of energy is petroleum. Okay, so what is petroleum? Petroleum is formed from the plants and animals buried under the sea millions of years ago. We get LPG, diesel, petrol, kerosene from petroleum. Petrol and diesel are used as fuel in automobiles. LPG and kerosene are used as fuels for cooking purposes. The third is natural gas. It is found along with petroleum under the sea. It is formed primarily of methane. Natural gas is used for producing electricity. CNG, compressed natural gas, is a cleaner fuel used as an alternative to petrol and diesel. Now, exercise for revision. Circle the odd one: solar energy, hydro energy, wind energy, and coal. So, as you can see, solar energy, hydro energy, and wind energy, all these three are the sources of renewable energy, but coal is the source of non renewable energy. That is why coal is the odd one. Now, coal, hydro energy, natural gas, petroleum. So, hydroelectricity is the odd one, because coal, natural gas, and petroleum, these three are the sources of non-renewable source of energy. On the other hand, hydroelectricity is the source of renewable energy. LPG, petrol, CNG, and diesel. LPG, petrol, CNG, and diesel. So as you can see here, that petrol, CNG, and diesel, these three are obtained from petroleum, but LPG is not the byproduct of LPG is not obtained from the petroleum. That is why LPG is odd one. Okay, match the following: solar energy. So solar energy will be matched with windmills, or used as fuel in vehicle. No. Using produce electricity for photosynthesis. Yes, for photosynthesis. Hydro energy, uh, produce hydroelectricity. Wind energy, windmills uses it. And coal, used to produce electricity. And petrol, used as fuel in vehicles. So do this exercise for revision in your book and send it to me. Thank you.